We're 95% done with the garage organization. This is a 4-car garage, so yes, I can fit my Bronco in here now. That's the only one that's coming in though. We put some shelves for the cleaning supplies, a few of my small appliances, the pots and pans, and some glassware. And then over here on this side, I'm turning this into his workshop. We got it all cleaned out. That's the last few boxes I have to go through. I left some shelves right there. His tables came in, his big toolbox, and then the toolbox workbench right there. Hamu's taking those old toolboxes. And then that generator is gonna go in the backyard in a little shed that we're having put together for that. And then over here in the back is extra refrigerators, a freezer, and all of my tiered trays, wood pieces. I got a little rack for in the middle right here, and we hung a bunch of boards and stuff on it. And then I have some more racks and wood stuff right there. And then over here, the top, more racks. Jennifer kept that Ray done. And then these right here to give to Giacomo's teacher. And yeah, that's it, y'all. We're almost done. I cannot wait. But it's so much nicer.